Right then, so this is the hints section for these 4 questions. Remember, I've chosen these questions. Because they're all high mark questions and they're ones that you want to try and get right. And they're actually from November 17 Paper 3 Foundation. They're all just lots of marks attached to it, okay? And obviously you can use a calculator as well. So when we're doing this, let's have a little look about the best approach to take on this. Now, how this is in the work solutions is I would have probably done this in a slightly different way. I would have said to myself, how much is 1 kilogram? Okay. If you can work out how much 1 kilogram is, then you can work out anything else. Okay, that's called the unit cost. So think about how you work out 1 kilogram. So 2.5 kilograms costs this. So what's 1? If we look at number 2, so look at this bit. Now, the trick is here, is it wants the answer in square centimetres. It's given it in metres. Change first. Alright, change this to centimetres. And then you're working out the surface area. So each side is a square. Okay, so you know how to work out the area of a square. And then how many sides have you got? 1, 2, 3, and then there's 3 more that you can't see. So a square times 6. And you can get your answer. All right. Right, question 3. Let's have a little look. Right, now these are the ones, like big mark question here, okay? 5 marks, so it's one that we want to get right. Let's have a little look at it. All right. So a farmer has got 580 eggs to put into boxes. Boxes come in 3 sizes, so we got okay, right, so we've got 3 different sizes. I'm going to write 580 eggs there, just so I can move it up a little bit, right? Right, he wants at least 10 boxes of 20 eggs. Right, okay, so a farmer fills 54 boxes with the 580 eggs. So the first job to do is work out how many eggs that takes. Right, so he's going to have at least this. So that's going to be 200, isn't it? So multiply these across. Find out how many eggs that is. How many then have you got left? Right? Try really hard about how you set this out, because if you set it out, it'll kind of do the question for you. 25, 50. So it's only an extra how many more boxes? Okay? It's got 54 boxes altogether. It's filled that many. So how many more boxes and how many eggs are left? And then you can piece that together. Okay, don't forget to add on when if you decide that you need an extra one of those, extra 1 or 2 of those, or whatever it is. I don't know what the answer is. Then make sure that you add them on, and then make sure that you actually put down your answers. Okay, and then the last question. And again, I chose this question because, okay, it's 5 marks, and it's just, a lot of people would look at this and think, yeah, this isn't my question, right? Because it's like asking you to work out some horrible fraction stuff. It says, are more than half the seats on the train being used? What? I don't know. But wait, right, this is basically saying how many of the seats are being used, all right? So that's what that really says. So when you do this, it says, in the first class carriage, so let's first of all, you've got to work out 3/8 of 64. So you can need to think about how you do that. All right, 1/8, 64 divided by 8 gives you 1/8. How do you get 3/8? So there's only one of them. There's only one of them. And then there are, each standard carriage has 78 seats. So you need 7/13 of 78. 1/13, 7/13. Okay, and then you've got 6 of those, so you're going to multiply that by 6. All right, now you can work out how many seats are being used. Once you've got how many seats are being used, you should be able to work out how many seats there are all together. Show that clearly, because you've got 1 of them and you've got 6 of those, and then you should be able to tell me the answer to this question. All right, 5 marks. That's the kind of question that you need to be able to work through and you need to be able to get right. Okay, so good luck.
If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I've been RMS Maths and I'll see you next time. Maths out.